Hey, this is InfraWhisperer, a multi-agent conversational infrastructure management platform built on Orchestra. Here's the problem. SRE teams spend almost 40% of incident response time just gathering context, running kubectl, checking Grafana, querying databases, and searching wikis. By the time they understand this issue, the outage has already cost thousands. InfraWhisperer solves this. You ask the question in plain English and it gives you a correlated answer from across your entire infrastructure, Kubernetes, Prometheus, PostgreSQL, and core operational runbooks through a single conversation. The architecture uses, I'll show you the architecture. So the architecture uses 4 custom MCP servers, each one wrapping a real infrastructure tool. A Kubernetes server with 8 tools for cluster management, a monitoring server wrapping Prometheus, a database server with read-only PostgreSQL access, and an incident server for runbook search and incident logging. All 4 uses streamable HTTP transport and it is production grade. And on top, we have 5 agent swarm in our orchestra, a router that understands your question and delegates to a specialist agent. The key design is the lethal trifecta. No single agent has untrusted input, write access, and direct tool access. Read-only agents can't write. The right agent doesn't see raw user input. So it is security by architecture, not just by prompts. And everything runs in Docker with Docker Compose, PostgreSQL, and PostgreSQL with demo data, Prometheus, Grafana, and all 4 MCP servers as well. Let me show you. Let me show it to you in action. Our demo simulates a payment service outage. The pod is crashing, orders are failing, and alerts are firing. So I'll just write hi, and I'll ask what pods are running. So here we got all of our pods that are running. The router delegates to create agent call list pod and immediately flags the payment service is in a crash loop backup uh, with 14 restarts. So it has all these informations as well. Now I'll ask it why is payment service failing. So it it triggers multiple agent, creates check logs and events, monitoring check alerts, and I get a correlated root cause in one answer, like it failed because of. Also, if I click on show me failed orders from the database. Okay, so these trigger the database agent queries PostgreSQL and shows 5 failed orders. Notice the pie reduction. Uh, Customer emails and phone numbers are automatically masked, and this agent can only run select queries. Mutations are blocked at the server limit. Now I'll just click restart the payment service. So when I typed restart the payment service, it went ahead and restarted my failing pod. Now, if I wanted to delete something, could you delete? Could you delete? The biggest insight was the lethal trifecta security pattern. Instead of trying to make one AI safe, you split capabilities so no single agent can be dangerous. That's InfraWhisperer. Thanks for watching. Delete a customer with ID4. So it cannot directly delete a customer from the database using the available tools because obviously for security reasons. Building this taught me that MCP protocol is incredibly powerful for separating concerns. Each server does one thing well, and I'll show you the server.